Welcome in everybody. In this video I'm going to create the incline lift. The incline lift, it has a material of mild steel, and we're going to do it in the inches. So we're going to do it in inches. That didn't sound right. We're going to use the English template. We're going to go standard, create. I'm going to start my sketch on this XY plane. And then I'm just going to sketch the basic shape of the kind of front view of it. I'm not worried about the exact dimensions, but I'm going to try to get it to where they at least are kind of close. So I'm going to start here and go over about, I need to go over about 2 inches or so. That's pretty good. And then down a little bit. I'm going to come over, straight, down a little bit more. Come over like Red Rover, come up here somewhere, take it down over here, up a little bit, straight up, and maybe I'll come back to this. I'm not sure, did I draw that right there? Yeah, I already did that. Okay, so there's our kind of a basic shape, and now I'm just gonna go in and add the dimensions to it. So this first one here is 2.25. And then, let's see, this one is 0.5. This one here is 1.5. This one is 0.5. Let's see this. Oh, what did that do? That went real kooky. Let me trim out this. What you trying to do? All right, so actually that's not what I wanted, is it? Let me get rid of this dimension. Oh, there's 2 different lines here. Oh, that didn't connect. Okay, so let me extend this here. I can't extend it. Okay, so let me just try to delete this, and I'll try to redraw this line. It wants to be goofy. All right, so now let me try to dimension this to, okay, that dimension is correct. So then this angle here is, oh, I don't know that angle, do I? All right, so we're gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna dimension from here to here. That I know is 5. And I know this dimension here is 0.75. Move you over here. Okay, so then, let's see what we got from here to here. Those seem to be perpendicular. So I'm going to put a perpendicular constraint, or parallel, sorry. They need to be parallel. So these 2 should be parallel. There we go. And let's see, what else can I dimension? I got that. Oh yeah, this from here to here, that is 0.5. And let's see, what else do I need? Oh yeah, from here to here is 1.5. There we go. That looks better. All right, so that's our shape there with all our dimensions on it. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this, flip it back that way. That's going to be 3 for the depth there. I'm going to start another sketch on this top face here. I'm going to create 2 circles. 1, 2. Dimension it. This one is going to be have a diameter of what is that, 0.5. And then I'm going to make these two equal with this equal constraint. So the diameters will be the same. Just click on both. I'm going to then line them up. So I'm going to use a vertical constraint. Just click the centers of each one. So now they're lined up on top of each other. And then dimension from one center to the other. This will be 1.5. Ooh, that one's off the object, not a biggie. I'm going to dimension from this center here down to the bottom, and that should put it back on the plane. This is going to be 0.75 for this dimension here. There we go. What is it from here to here? 0.75. From here to this edge, 0.75. There we go. So now we can finish our sketch. We can extrude cut our circles out. I'm going to go all the way through. Hit OK. And then I'm going to start a sketch on this kind of angled plane here. And I'm going to create a slot. Let me use a center to center. So which one do I want to do first? Probably this one here. So I go from one side here, kind of over to the other, straight across a little bit. And then that dimension here is going to be 0.5. And I need to dimension from this edge to the center, which is going to be 0.75. 0.75. And then I dimension from this center dot to this edge. That's going to be 0.75 also. And then from this center to this center is, what is that, 1.5. Boom, there we go. And then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut. I'm going to use the 2 option. So where it says distance A, I'm going to go 2. And I'm going to select this kind of bottom surface down here and click it and hit OK. All right, so then I'm going to create the other kind of slot. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on that same plane. I'm going to create another slot with the center to center option. I like using that one. I don't know. There's there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other ones. Anyway, I'm going to use the center to center. I'm just going to click somewhere here in the center and just drag it way off the part. And then pull it to the right. That's going to be, what is that, 1.5? No, that's not 1.5. That's 1. Sorry about that. 1, like that. And then from this edge to the center of this one is 1.75. And what else do I need? Oh yeah, from this edge to the center here, that's 1.5. So then we got that. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude cut this all the way through. It's like a tongue sticking out, like bleh. Anyway, hit OK there. So there is our part. We got all our voids cut out. I'm going to add the mild steel material. So I'm going to go up to where it says generic. Scroll down to the steel and look for mild steel right here. And click the home. I'm going to go to view. Realistic. You can do whatever visual style you want. I I like to shade with edges, shadows, reflections. That's kind of neat. For the lighting, photo booth, I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna save it as incline lift, and then that's it. So then just make sure that you like and subscribe. So I think I've already created this once when I practice. So I'm gonna do incline lift 2, and then save it. Make sure you save it. All right, so I'll see you on the next lesson. All right, peace.